over a little bit like that. Okay, samba. So have this stability control here. So what is this cup? So whatever you do actions, same time always push with your spine into that cup. Okay, now we do samba first, samba actions. 1, tummy, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is only muscles of your tummy with a little bit pelvis tilting action, which affects your knees. Right, keep the cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tummy, 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 tummy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's not about knees, it's about the tummy. Okay, next one, crossing action. The same idea, samba motion. 1, 2, feel like your tummy rolling inside. 5, at the same time, keep that head, keep that little control on top of your head. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now start a little bit lifting and then landing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side step. 1, 1. So that will be the difference between samba and any other dance. This absorption through the tummy for each step. And here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whisk. 1, absorb. 2, same time, try to keep your control head on top. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one, Volta. 1, 2, absorption. 3, 4, sorry. 5, 6, 7, 8. Change leg. 1, 2. With over 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, tummy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one, stationary samba walk. 1, absorb. 2, 2, tummy. 2, 2. 1. This action is the key for samba. 2, and keep your cup as a control. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3. Each step you take, you should start as soon as possible to do your tummy, to do that rolling samba action. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your arm on your tummy. Put your arm here, and just activate that. Yes, and this arm I hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now stay side. Rhythm bounce. From here, rolling, and 2, 3, 4, like a circle. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Better. 7, 8. About to fall. 1. I should do rhythm bounce this. Yeah. Don't worry. It's a good try. Try it again. Rhythm bounce for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you see on this leg, you're not absorbing enough. That's why cap is falling. Now, Batafoga, we're gonna have a cross with a tummy absorption. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Tummy. 2. So you're throwing it through the collecting. Throw it back and immediately collect back. 1, 2. See how my hand here doing that action. 1 and 2. Yes, and keep in the cup. 2. Be careful. Yes. Now stay back. Batucadas. Have your tummy. Produce that circle from the rolling your tummy in. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Tummy. 1. So you have 2 calls now. Activate your tummy for samba and keeping the cap. Boom. So as much as movement we do downstairs, it should not affect our top, our beautiful position. Now cruzado walks are a little bit more advanced, so stay this way. Straight legs. Yeah, put your leg behind, and I'll do this exercise just open, stretch, return. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, so creating degel, return. 1, 2, doing great. 1, 2. Now, once you're here, now you start collecting your time as soon as you can. Leg pass. So again, so here, position, tummy, leg, and another leg same time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and now tummy, leg, and then moving to the next. Excellent. Let's try facing forward. So anything you do, have a control here and activate your tummy. That's your samba. Let's do walk, black step, cruzado walk. 1, 2, cha, small step. 1, always bigger. Cha-cha is always on straight. 1 is always with the soft knee. Walk. Yeah, let's try it. Doing good. Let's try it again. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Next, let's move into our choreography. And we try to have a control here, but as much as possible also put there this samba action, which is your tummy. So we start with a little bit shaking, loosen up area between ribs and hips, yes. And we're going with the Volta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, choose a break we have. 3 and 4. Replace 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and shake. 3. See everything come from rib cage. Woo. 5 and 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and gentle turn. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're doing good. 5, 6, 7, 8. Till there. Good job. You're doing very good.